Hi, Mom.
Hi, Clara.
Mom, what are you doing?
I make pizza for lunch today. Are you want to eat pizza today?
Of course, Mom. I love pizza so much.
So, let's help me to get pizza ready for lunch.
Yes, Mom. Let's start. What we need to make pizza, Mom?
We need flour, yeast, salt, sugar, 1 egg. And for toppings we need cheese, shrimp, pepperoni, tomato, olive, mushroom, onion.
And now, Mom, after we get pizza ingredients, what we do?
First, let's wash our hands really well.
Okay, I'm washing.
Good girl. Now, let's make a dough, and now spread the pizza sauce. Can you help me spread it evenly?
I can do it.
Excellent. Now, let's add the cheese. Sprinkle it all over.
I love sprinkling.
Now the fun part, we get to choose our toppings. What do you want on your pizza?
Can we put pepperoni and maybe some mushrooms?
Sounds delicious. Let's add those. Okay, our pizza is ready to go in the oven.
How long does it take to cook, Mom?
About 15 minutes. While we wait, we can set the table.
I can help. I can get the plates.
Look, our pizza is ready.
It smells amazing, Mom.
I'm so proud of you, Clara. You did a great job helping me make it.
Thank you, Mommy. I had so much fun.
Me too, sweetheart. Let's make pizza again sometimes.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for our next video.